Unfortunately, in our world, having the perfect solution absolutely does not guarantee that that solution will be implemented. You need to communicate it, you need to tell stories about it, you need to convince people that this is the best solution.
It has been challenging.
It's tiring.
Very intense.
Tough, very emotional.
It's real world problems, real world challenges that they have to respond to. How do you reconstruct after conflict?
All right, our project is post-war art and literature in Iran.
It's finding recreation and joy in post-conflict Syria.
Advancing education in Yemen.
Good luck.
You're saying we can recruit the local engineers or doctors or health professionals to upskill them?
Yeah.
Imagine that a war has ended between a country. We've chosen Palestine and we're trying to rebuild the health there, which is why we are choosing to get prosthetics for the children.
So actually this project, it feels a little bit, I think, familiar to me because I'm coming from Afghanistan and getting even the tiniest help like a school backpack or like a bit of food, obviously surviving that conflict and coming here 2015, now to actually seeing the background work. It gets a bit emotional at times, but then I do know that even though it's a 3D printing limb, but I can guarantee that even for like a small tiny time, it's going to help a lot.
Yeah.
Recovery is not just saying alive. Recovery means learning how to write again, dress again, eat again, return to school and live independently.
A powerful story with a real world example.
I completely agree with Renee. Fantastic storytelling. I guess my concern is not just about the assembling, but in making sure that the right prosthetic is linked with the right kid.
And I'm still like trembling. We had an hour and a half to 2 hours and then boom, stand up and present. We're not cooked. That's what I know, we're not cooked.
Students looking at what's happening in the world and realizing that things look pretty grim. And here is an opportunity to recognize that reality, but to think about, well, how can we do something about it?
He's the president of the United Nations Association WA.
Students have a lot of altruism in them and a lot of idealism, and this is something which is a very valuable resource. The students are the future leaders. We are very supportive, very proud to be associated.
We're looking at the 3D scan of the actual exhibition itself. With our project, we're wanting to think of a way to really engage the audience, especially at the open night. This is really inspiring and giving me a lot of ideas.
I am in awe of their creativity, their commitment and technological applications in solving their challenges.
This is the constitution of our new Democratic Republic of Congo.
Our idea was a creative workshop in South Sudan as a means to process trauma.
So we went down to the printers. It took 12 hours to make and then 3 hours to assemble.
So you can grab a water bottle or hold a cup.
Okay. There were people asking us if they can donate to this thing.
Yeah, someone asked if they can donate to the website that's over there.
And all the judges, they had no questions. They were speechless to the team.
Yeah.
They were like, this sounds like a real project. I think you guys should take this further. Great feedback. It just feels
very nice. It feels very good.
Yeah. It's a good 25 credits. Yeah. It's not easy, but
yeah, it was easy, but it was good.
I learned so much about our world, how challenging it is to implement real change, and how intricate yet fragile the systems that hold this world together are.